There are those who stayed up late yesterday to be counted. We are many who stayed up late yesterday. But again, these are just human who are doing the count, so they might not have reached your place yesterday, but given time, they will be able to reach out to you today. So the enumeration process today begins at 6 a.m. in the morning. So it's already ongoing in many, many parts of this country. So I would wish to urge everyone to take advantage of today and tomorrow. If I talk about today, I mean today during the day and even during the night until tomorrow a.m., 6 a.m. in the morning.
We have a few cases recorded of insecurity. One of them being that unfortunate incident where a 23-year-old girl who was an enumerator was gang raped in Maseno. The position is that the enumerator got all the support necessary, was given a lift by her colleagues and dropped close to her residence, which they probably thought was safe. They were not keen maybe to have ensured that she got into the house before they left. It was an anomaly on the side of the persons who were escorting her. We also had a few incidences of enumerators losing their iPads, and we are calling upon them to take care of their iPads and ensure that they are secure.